So today I want to show you a Christmas treat. So you know, we all know mince pies. So this is a mince pie with a difference. So it's in the shape of a Christmas tree. So what I have here is I have some puff pastry. And you can see here I'm just literally just going to cut the puff pastry into the shape of a tree. So just take away that and that guy. In here, in there, and you can see the shape of the Christmas tree there. Lift that up, pop that on top of another piece of puff pastry, and you just want to outline the pastry. Like so. So basically you get like a double sheeted Christmas tree, puff pastry Christmas tree. Okay, separate them out like that. And then I want you to get some mince meat that you've already made, or just buy some, and just put that and spread that on one side of the puff pastry, like so. And this is brilliant, just like to have as a snack at home, but also works really well as Christmas gifts if you want to give them out to your neighbours, which is perfect. It's just kind of just a bit of festive spirit, really. So I mean, it's good like that. Okay, and now put the other piece of pastry on top. Pull them back towards you. Okay, so this is your center. So what I do is I just score the center as if it's the center of the tree, and then cut out snips like so, going into the center but not going all the way through. Flip it around and do the other side. Just like so. Okay, and at that stage you're going to just the excess paper off there, put it onto your baking tray. Bring it back on the board. Then what I want you to do is I just want to pick up those two strands together and give them a twist. So you can see I'm twisting those all the way up, like so. It's pretty cool. And then just twist them. So if you just grab the end there, look, and then just twist it over, like so. Look at that. That's pretty cool, like so. Then I want you to get egg wash and just egg wash your pastry. It's going to give you that lovely golden brown color. And then that's going to go into the oven at 180 degrees for, I don't know, about 15 minutes or so, 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on it till it's nice and golden brown. Friggin' gorgeous, look at that. Isn't that unbelievably good? Okay, lift it up, put it onto your board. And I know it's going to be tough on you, but you need to leave that rest for about 10 minutes before you eat it, because it's going to be beautiful and crispy and gorgeous. How about that for a mince pie with a difference? Look at that, perfect. Nice and in focus, perfect. Guys, there's our beautiful Christmas tree filled with mincemeat.